Hello guys, here's the two egg of that bird. I think that bird is what you call it, that lays pugo. Oh. Hindi siya maya-maya. Wala yung mother, lumipad. Ako kung oras babalik. So may time tayo para i-vlog yung egg niya. Nasaan kaya siya? Pero she's near. She will not going to go far because she still have forming her two eggs. And guys, I will going to place cover on them so that when the rain comes it will not be, they can safe from the rain. Some of the rain will not go inside of them, so hopefully makatulong itong gagawin ko. Yan, lagay ko ito dito. Sana matuwa yung mother. At ako yung may gagawin na hindi ko pa alam kung matutuwa siya. Then guys, na-place ko yung ano niya para pag may tubig yung ulan na hindi siya masyadong magpupol doon sa dito siya mag-slide yung water dito. Then it will be covered to some of the rain. Yeah, I hope it can help them when the rain comes. And the mother will be happy for her two eggs. And I'll cover also some here so that it will be fully covered. Or there, I don't think later on. Thanks guys.